We had 19 individuals, all unemployed, low-income individuals. A number of them were homeless. And what we were able to do is to have them go to training for 4 weeks. They took down houses and restored the bricks and the lumber and able to reuse it and recycle whatever they could. But the great part about that is they learned a trade, a skill, they had some classroom, they had a certificate, and then at the end of it, out of the 19 people who attended, 15 of them were hired immediately, but 13 of them now are still employed. And they're employed at $15 to $18 an hour with full-time benefits. There's two problems that we have. One, you need to have the funding to develop the programs and money to get the equipment, develop the curriculum, and then you need to have the money to pay for individuals to take those certificate programs. So having a funding source that can help develop the programs, as well as some gap tuition assistance funding so individuals can apply if they cannot meet any other area to come into training, is just critical.